3 ways to get email leads from your computer. If you are an entrepreneur, then you should be keen on 3 ways to get email leads from your FB profile. This is the best way to reach your target audience instantly. It is also the cheapest. Many people complain about the cost and speed of communication through social networking sites such as Facebook or Twitter. It is true that these websites charge exorbitantly for every invitation to connect with a client. Moreover, it is not uncommon to read complaints about the delays in response from the contacts of those who had taken the time to sign up for a social network. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 3 ways to get email leads from your computer. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Fortunately, there are options to make this process easier for you. You need not be an entrepreneur to use these lead generation methods. Facebook offers a lot of avenues for individuals to create a Facebook account. These days, over 80% of the netizens use Facebook, and so, it is not surprising to find a thriving community here. It is also popular among teenagers and young adults. There are certain ways to attract more people to your website, and these include building relationships and getting to know the preferences of your targeted market. People who visit Facebook are mostly looking for updates of their loved ones, friends, classmates, and coworkers. They want to feel that they have something in common with the people they are exchanging emails with. Facebook has introduced an option to share photos. This is a great way of collecting the email addresses of people who have shown an interest in your line of business or product. You can offer incentives like coupons, freebies, discounts, and other freebies to generate leads. It would help if you send newsletters to your existing clients to encourage them to provide their email addresses. Remember that people don't want to give up their email addresses to others. They are interested in keeping in touch with their contacts, whether it's with a new relationship or business. Give them something valuable in exchange for their email addresses and you will be on your way to get leads. Social networking sites have become a large source of information and people exchange information with the help of these sites. You can use Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. to gather email leads. You can also join groups and forums. These are some of the ways to obtain email leads effortlessly. You should also consider joining online groups and forums as well. Many business people spend a lot of time in forums, and these are good avenues to market your products. You can interact with different individuals, and this will give you an opportunity to know more about their preferences. You can share ideas with them, and through this, you will be able to establish rapport with people who are interested in the same niche as yours. Another important thing that you need to remember is to maintain correspondence with the people who have given their email addresses to you. This will allow you to keep in touch with them and let them know how much you value their opinion. If you have offered them some valuable product or service at no cost, you should inform them of this. This will show them that they are not only important but their opinions are important too. So if you have found yourself struggling to find ways to promote your product online, do not worry. You do not have to go anywhere else but online. You can opt for these great methods and make some good money. It is all up to you. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing. Success is bound to make an impact in your business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next feed.